Hi y'all, welcome back. It's another 30-minute clean with me. I'm excited about this. Today we're going to pick up where we left off in the last 30-minute cleaning. Excuse my voice, I still have my ugly morning voice. Let me get some tea in a minute. But we're gonna pick up, first of all, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Regina, and thank you for joining me at Life with Regina. I didn't greet y'all or nothing. I just went right into the business. Okay, so I have a few things I want to do. Firstly, we're going to do floors. So I need to mop. I need to vacuum this rug. I need to clean my bathroom down here. And also I want to take down these curtains so I can wash them. Those and those and the ones in the other rooms. So we're gonna make a list. Mopping is gonna be last. I'm trying to think. Vacuuming will be first. Also need to wipe down these counters and this I need to wipe down the counters and the table. I don't have much to declutter, so that should be quick. So vacuuming first, wiping down the countertop second, taking down the curtains third, mopping will most definitely be last, clean the bathroom fourth, and then mopping will be last, because then I can mop the bathroom last and then wash the mop head. Yeah, let's get started. Let me get some tea or something first though. Oh, yeah. Let's get some tea.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on, because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
All right, y'all, let's set the timer for 30 minutes. I got my tea, and I already know I'm gonna wipe the counters down first. It's just, oh, my phone dead. Hold on, let me grab a tablet. Okay, never mind. My phone did not die. It just cut off. Weird. Okay. Let's set the timer. "30 minutes.
Ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music, it's moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. You're trying to leave, how I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. You're trying to leave, how I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're tryna leave. Oh, I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. She want to, man.
Listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you. Baby, cause you know I like it.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is brandy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us who out hate me. Bring my products. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, ain't gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Nap on the couch. Back.
Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
All right, y'all, so the 30 minutes are up. We did not even get to do everything on the list. I still need to mop. But I was able to clean the bathroom, a vacuum. Actually ended up having to vacuum the kitchen because there were so many crumbs on the countertops. Wipe down the counters, the table, and I got to clean my window, which I really wasn't planning on doing, but I decided to use my last like a minute and a half to clean the window, and that was what we got done. 30 minutes. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.
Oh, what it is.